Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Naim from Master Name YouTube channel, and today in this video I will show you how you can design a listening design. So basically you will get very easily, because I don't know so much, and because I'm a web engineer and web developer and web designer, I'm working with eBay and Amazon user also. So in this video I will try to teach you how you can design your very own eBay listening design. So I'm sorry, today my health is not good, but I will try to do my best. Okay, let's start. First of all, you need a text editor. You can download from internet. That is basically notepad plus plus. You can download. It's free of cost and it is open source. So basically this designed for coding. So we will design code and we will design a listening design in two language, CSS and HTML. First of all, if you have a knowledge about HTML and CSS, then it's really good, and if not, then it's okay, no problem, because I will show you how you can write, and in this video you will learn, and I will tell you the basic, and I will teach you the basic of HTML and CSS, and also we will design a eBay listening design in this video. So let's start. First of all, I just opened a notepad plus plus, and after that I just need to code. First, this we call this tag HTML, and after that close tag, and then that is close tag HTML. Basically this is tag HTML start, and this is HTML. Okay, so now we needed one thing, so that I will really want to teach you very from the basic of. So maybe you are new in this video, or maybe you know already HTML, so it's okay, no problem. So let's start. You need a few things that will work fine. In eBay listening design, eBay don't using body tags and head tags and HTML tags because they already have in their page. So we will use few things that you need to know, that I will write, because I don't want to write here anything else that don't need on eBay is listening design, you know very well. So that's why I will just write that things that need to use in our eBay listening design. I'm sorry. Okay. So first of all, it's div and the div close. Okay, and that is a div, and here I will get one more tag, that with style, and that is style. Okay, and this two things that we need to use in our page. Basically this is for eBay, especially for eBay listening design. We need these two kind of things. Okay, one is style tag and one is div tag. Okay, after that we will design a few things. First of all, this div, this is a main tag, and we can say this id basically id. So basically this is we are using, and after that we will call in for example, we can use it, we will use it to style in our CSS. So let's start, because you will understand why I'm using that. After that you will see this is main, and okay, nc main. You can whatever you can use, but nc I am using because name Chahan is my name, so that's why I'm using this. And I think eBay are not using this kind of ID, so that's why I'm using this, because this need to be unique, so that's why I'm using this nc main. Okay, and here how we can target this, and that is hashtag, and after that nc and main. Okay, and after that brackets. Okay, let's start. This is our main, and we needed two things in here, one sidebar and one is a main. So I think a sidebar is don't I think there is so many people are not using a sidebar, so I will just tell you the basic of things. So after that I will make a advanced video, so you can so this is basically this for newbies and just for beginners, so that's why I'm just teaching these things. Okay, so this is our main, and after that we need a title, one because we have a product, for example, and that is h1, and after that h close. Okay, that's it, basically heading tag, and we will use the title here. So for example, our product name is black socks. Okay, black socks in UK, very cheap. Okay, that is our title of our product. Okay, after that I will use some dummy text that will be p tag. P tag basically paragraph. So p tag open and p tag close forward slash and p and close tag. Okay, okay, and now here I will use lorem text. Basically you can it's just a dummy text, and I can use here because you need to use your product description here, so you know very well how you can use it. Okay, so because I just want to fill this place, that's why I'm using lorem ipsum text, and that is I'm getting from the shortcut, so that's why. So okay, this is our heading text, so we will give the id of double quotation mark and id, and after that we will get nc and title. Okay, so you will understand what kind of this, and that is paragraph and id space and then equal to double quotation. Okay, then nc and that will be dash, I think description. Okay, description, I think that will be fine, description. And after that maybe we have a few images. So for example, I have a image tag. Here you will start here like this, img src, that will be source and is equal to double quotation. Here you will give your source of your image, so you can host your image on any free hosting service on internet. Because in these days so many companies are giving free service of hosting of your pictures. So here you will give one thing, and that will be images. Okay, so I will give a URL because I have a lots of images, but I will give for example, I just going to give I have images in my local computer, so that's why I will give the path of that. For example, if you have a project folder, and in project folder you have a img folder, and then you have a pictures in that folder, then you can use like this. Otherwise, if you have a on same location where your this file is located, then you need to type this location. If you don't have a on your local pc, local computer, then maybe you hosted on somewhere else on internet, so then you can just use full path of that, just url of the images, and then close. Here you will give the forwards like before, and that is images tag. Basically in html we are not using this kind of tags because image tag is single tag, so we will not use like this close tag, so that will be closed like this before. Okay, so here you can give the width and height. For example, I'm giving width is equal to for example I'm just giving 500. Okay, 500 basically it's the pixel, or you can give in percentage. For example, I will give it 80 percentage. Okay, 80%, so that will be full width of 80%. Okay, mean 20 left and 20 right will be we will leave, and 80% we are using. Okay, and that is one image, and just need to copy and the paste how many times that you want. Okay, for example we need a 4 times, 1 2 3 4, and 4 times we are using images. Here you will need to just change the path of images. For example, maybe you have a more than 1 or 3 4 5 picture of about your product, so you can use and that will be free of cost, no problem, because if we are charging for more money if you will upload more photo about your projects about your product. So that's why here you can use free of cost, so you can host on any website, because there is lots of websites giving like Dropbox and other websites are giving the url about your images where you can upload free of cost. Okay, then we have a one more description, and that will be p tag. After that again paragraph tag and p close and forward slash, sorry, and then okay, and here once again we have lorem ipsum, and we need to give it id also the same, because we are using that is depend on you, that what you want, because after that we will design in css, so that's why. Okay, so nc and dash. Okay, description basically. Okay, once again we can use we can copy both, no problem, title and because that will best for your SEO. If you will use 2 times your title in your able listening design, that will be perfect. So I'm just copy and paste two things, title and the description. For example, title, and after that description, and after that pictures, and after that again titles and pictures, and descriptions. Here you will use after that pictures or other things, or services or shipping or other things you can give them. So it is just an idea that how you can design a listening design. So okay, it's very simple. Just to make a two tags, style and a div tag, and after that we just use this kind of things. Okay, no need to design that kind of thing. First have a look on it, how this looking. Okay, I'm just going to save on my desktop. Here I will say save ebay.html. Please remember, HTML is a extension, not text. Okay, ebay.html save. Okay, here I save it, and now I'm going to show you how this looking, and I need to open Firefox, and the Firefox, and after that I'm just giving you the preview of that eBay listening that we designed already. As you can links, you can use also link other products. So basically I say it's just a beginner guides. So that's why, because after that I will make a video of advanced level users. So maybe so many, I think so many seller are already know the HTML. So I will show you how you can use this. So I'm just going to show you that's how this is looking. So let's start. Okay, here we go. Okay, here is our have a look at. Okay, you can say you can just check it. It's the title, it's description in short words. I mean to say that in little size, and it's big size, H1, H2, H3, H4, like we used in our sorry, here we used H1. You can H2 and H2, that will be a little bit small. So that is from H1 to H6. That is 6 tag that you can use in your HTML. So that is basically that is okay. Now we need to design this, because this is just a simple. So let's have a look on it. Okay, let me make a next video so you can see the next second part. So let's see. Stop it here and let's meet in next video. Bye bye.